No turkey egg today. She likes to lay hers down there. I think we saw some new pepper activity, y'all, on the habanero plant. We get excited about this little garden.
Can someone smell that salty air?
You smell salty air?
A little baby pepper.
We've got some activity going on right there.
Baby one.
Yep.
We got activity right here.
Yeah, we do have some activity right there.
Yeah.
Those are looking nice.
That one's the mommy and that one's the dad.
Oh, okay. Are these the babies up here?
They're sleeping.
What about these tomatoes? You see those? Right there. You see them?
Yeah, they're hanging from the roof.
Okay.
Of it.
Now we're checking the trees. How are they looking?
This one's looking good.
Looking good. On to the next one. This one's his. He calls this one his because it's little like him, he said. How's it looking?
Great.
Okay, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and start supper. It's a fun one tonight. Chipotle Chicken Tostadas with pineapple salsa. We're starting with the salsa.
Cut it, Mama.
Pineapple.
Oh, what's this thing?
A pineapple cutter.
Oh, that's just weird.
See that? I think it's even. We need 2 cups of pineapple, chopped pineapple for the pineapple salsa.
How deep was this, baby?
I didn't measure it yet. Just go with your feeling, that gut feeling that tells you when to stop. Oh, I feel it. I feel it.
Tell me now.
Jonah loves to drink the juice out of here. Yeah, we need, that's gonna be about 2 cups once you chop it up.
You just want to chop it like?
Yeah, just small little cubes.
Okay.
Then we're gonna make just about this much of this red onion chopped up in there. Okay, we got the pineapple and red onion chopped up. We're gonna transfer this to a bowl. And we need half a cup of cilantro, so I'm gonna go ahead and chop this up. We love cilantro. I know a lot of people don't love it, but we love it. Alright, we'll go ahead and add this in, and then we need 2 tablespoons of honey. There's pretty much about 2 tablespoons left in this little jar, so we'll just put all of this, mix that in, and then we need the juice from 1 lime. Okay, y'all, I can just go ahead and tell you, this is gonna be great. It's gonna be great. Alright, we've got that done. Now we're gonna make an avocado smash. So we just smashed the avocado. We're just gonna add salt, pepper, and a little bit of lime juice to it. And I'm just making a little bit because most of the kids don't like it, so it's probably only gonna go on mine, Titus's, and maybe Jonah's. Every now and then Jacob likes it, but most of the time not. So just gonna make a little bit. All right, now we're ready to make the seasoning for the Chipotle chicken. I'm only gonna do about half or maybe a little less than half of the chicken with this Chipotle stuff because it's really spicy. We put this in baked beans sometimes. I'm pretty sure it's Kent Rollins baked beans recipe that uses these. They're pretty spicy, so I'm only gonna do, you know, a little less than half of the chicken. With the other chicken, I'm just gonna put salt and pepper. So I'm just gonna kind of chop these peppers up because they're really big pieces. See this one here, it's pretty big pepper there. So we're just gonna slice them up, and then we're gonna add a little bit of chili powder and a little bit of ground cumin and some salt and pepper, and that's it.
Everybody, I'm gonna tell you something. Fallon's doubting me, but there is a green bean happening right here.
Oh, the plant, yeah.
Right here.
I see it, y'all.
You
Check it
find
out.
a dude with dirt under and on his fingernails, and you'll find someone that can spot a green bean popping up.
Wow.
There it is. That's the first one.
Look at that.
That's the start of a green bean casserole that's gonna probably happen.
I think that's one coming right there.
Hold on just a minute.
It is.
What about that?
We're
Underneath
gardeners. We are the gardeners.
I get down here and I just speak to them. Start singing different tunes. That's a green bean right there happening, everybody. We don't want our neighbors to come by and be like, what are they doing? Like, Honey, I Shrunk the Kids or
Yeah.
something? I mean, where's Jacob and Tyler? Please don't take a step on my grass.
We found another. More green bean casserole.
More green bean casserole coming. Or possibly Mandy in the makings green beans.
Wait.
Yeah. Alright, so we're getting the chicken started. I put just the salt and pepper chicken there. Now I'll put the Chipotle ones back here. Okay, I think we're almost done. The guineas are going wild again, huh? Okay, chicken is done. Just in time, too. The wind's picking up on me, but we'll still be able to get these tortilla shells taken care of. I'm using the white corn tortillas. Okay, so for those who don't want the avocado smash on the bottom, we're putting some cheese dip on the chicken, and then they're just gonna put regular salsa. Tyler, do you want a tostada with the avocado stuff on it or the cheese? And do you want spicy chicken or not spicy? Can you open this for me? Do you want pineapple salsa? I knew that would be it.
Probably better eating this with a fork.
Pineapple will surprise you.
That's really good. Real good.
Okay, y'all, it is several hours later. I'm about to go to bed, but I want to get the coffee maker ready for in the morning. We've been making coffee in the pot in the mornings because I just love for it to smell the whole house up full of coffee. Still love my French press, though. That pineapple salsa, y'all, was the star of supper. It was great. Definitely try that one. If you love pineapples, I'm telling you, you will love that pineapple salsa. All right, I'm gonna put this up over there, and I'm thinking breakfast in the morning is just gonna be an easy one. Egg sandwiches or cereal or something. It's gonna be an easy breakfast tomorrow.
And that's your